159.
Vehicle internal.
155.
Launch sequencer start.
150.
Securing Centaur LH2.
Securing Centaur LO2.
140.
Launch enabled.
137.
T-minus 90 seconds.
FTS
The launch
arm.
vehicle, payload, ground systems, and eastern range are go for launch.
120.
OCU's armed.
SVS count started.
115.
Reduce ECS for launch.
Roger.
110.
Vent valves locked.
T-minus
1
1 minute.
Rock report range status.
Range green.
Stable at step 3.
$28.
ECS reduced for launch.
Roger.
25.
Status check.
Go Atlas. Go Centaur.
Go AHF 4.
T-minus
T-minus.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We have ignition, 2, 1, and liftoff of the AEHF-4 mission carried by United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket for the United States Air Force.
Now 20 seconds into flight. P is going to close loop control.
You are hearing the voice of Patrick Moore providing launch
Now
vehicle
passing
ascent
30
data.
seconds into flight. Mach 1, Atlas 5 is now supersonic. Now passing 40 seconds into flight. And we're experiencing a telemetry dropout in the Denver data station. At this point in the flight, RD-180 should be throttling back up to 100% thrust, passing through max Q. Now passing 1 minute into flight.
Commentators and ESA can take over.
Go ahead.
Vehicle continues to drop right normally during descent. Back to 100% thrust as expected.
And VSC, I have data now.
Back to you.
Now 1 minute 25 seconds into flight, Atlas V rocket now weighs just 1/2 of what it did at launch, burning propellant at a rate of 6,900 pounds per second. Now 1 minute 34 seconds into flight. And we have burnout on all 5 SRBs. RD-180 throttling back up to full thrust, 1 minute 45 seconds into flight. 1 minute 50 seconds in. And we have jettison of all 5 solid rocket boosters. Now passing 2 minutes into flight. Vehicle is now on closed loop steering. And vehicle is now passing Mach 5. Now 2 minutes 10 seconds into flight. RD-180 pump speeds and injector pressures look good in the full thrust mode. Now 2 minutes 25 seconds in, approximately 2 minutes remaining in the Atlas booster phase of flight. Launch vehicle is now 42 miles in altitude, 81 miles downrange distance, traveling at 5,800 miles per hour. 2 minutes 40 seconds into flight. And RD-180 is now throttling to maintain a 2.5G acceleration limit. Engine response and vehicle acceleration response looks good. Centaur reaction control system is now pressurizing the flight levels. 2 minutes 57 seconds in. Now 3 minutes into flight. Atlas V is now 63 miles in altitude, 137 miles downrange distance, traveling at 7,500 miles per hour. And pump speeds and injector pressures on the RD-180 look good as they're throttling to maintain that 2.5 G acceleration limit. Approximately 1 minute remaining to BECO, standing by for payload fairing jettison. And we have good indication of payload fairing jettison. And we have CFLR jettison. Now 3 minutes, 40 seconds into flight. Vehicle now throttling to 95% thrust. And main engine now throttling to maintain a constant 4.6 G acceleration limit. Now passing 4 minutes into flight, and we have Centaur boost phase chill down. Approximately 20 seconds remaining till BECO. Pump speeds and injector pressures on the RD-180 continue to look good as they're throttling to maintain the acceleration limit. 10 seconds remaining to BECO. Standing by for BECO. And we have BECO booster engine cutoff, standing by for stage separation. And we have good indication of stage separation. We have pre-start on the RL-10, standing by for ignition. And we have ignition on the RL-10. Chamber pressure looks good. Vehicle body rate response looks good. This is the first burn of today's mission. This first burn should last approximately 6 minutes. RL-10 appears to be performing well. Chamber pressure looks good. Vehicle body rates also looking good. Now passing 5 minutes, 10 seconds into flight. And 5 minutes, 25 seconds into flight.
This is Atlas Mission